Let's see. Hello. I think we're live. I want to test this sound. I can hear something in the background. I think it is one of my neighbors. Let's see if I can fix that. Well, guys, there's not much we can do. So focus on my voice and my screen. Okay. Today we're going to learn about how the Apple and Google developer accounts work. We have gotten a lot of complaints about that you can't get the accounts because of something regarding Apple or Google Play. So today I'm going to show you how you will have to create them, what is the requirements on each of the accounts, and a few of the issues that most of you will have. I have gathered a little information, so let's see. I hope this helps you. Okay. So well, we're going to just wait 3 minutes, and that's it. We're going to get this started. Okay, guys. If you're here, do not forget to type in the chat. If the question is not related to today's topic, we'll have to leave that one at the end, but I'll make sure to answer all of your questions, okay? Thank you for being here. Let's just wait 2 minutes or something like that. Let me know if you're here. Type something in the chat. Please, 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 please. We'll use 20 more seconds and we'll get right to it. Okay, guys? Thank you very much for being here. Marlene, how are you? Welcome. You're always here. I'm so happy. So happy to see you here. How is your business going? Everything cool? Are you ready to launch almost? Okay, well, let's get started. Remember, if you have any question, type in the chat. Okay, amazing, Marlene. If you have any questions, type in the chat. Any comments, anything that you want to mention regarding this topic, will be talk first, and then if you have any other question related to ordering other things, I'll be answering that at the end. Okay. Um, Let me just change this. Okay. Okay. So first, what we need is our Apple developer account. Let me make this a little smaller like this. Well, we need both. However, I always recommend you to get the Apple developer account first because that is the one that takes longer. What you have to do is called enrollment in ordering. Okay. Sorry, in ordering in Apple. So for that we have to go in um, enrollment Apple, something like that. You can type in the Google in any search engine that you have, and then something like this will come up. The link is developer.apple.com. Uh, I will put it in the description of the YouTube video. Okay. How this works? First, you can enroll as an individual or as an organization. It works the same for the purpose of the apps that you are creating here at Ordering. The only thing that changes is that in the organization you can have multiple users as managers of your account, and in the individual you don't. Okay. When we ask for your Apple developer account, it doesn't matter really because most of the times we just request for your access, which means the email and the password. We get in your Apple ID. We get in there because we have to get a Apple app specific password. It's called a password that we require to create the apps. As you know, your builder requests those in order to create some certificates and some other things that are required for you to upload the apps. One of the most how can we call it? One of the most consuming issues is the DUNS number, DUNS number. This number, you have to get it in order to verify the organization. As you can see here, if we click in more, you can request the DUNS number here, and then you will be getting it very soon. And let's see if we have the time frame here. It is 5 business days. So imagine if you're sending your form of the apps, the first form, the form where we send these apps for you in less than 10 working days. If you start the process of getting your DUNS number in the same period, you will be getting it at 5 days or something like that. It might take less, it might take more. We don't know. This is Apple process. We cannot move anything here. Okay, so we recommend you to get this one first because it will take longer than the Play Store one. During the here you can see a few more tips. During the enrollment, I received a message: your organization is not listed. Blah blah blah. Okay, if your organization is not listed, then you will have to jump into the individual. It works the same. You can work with this one. As you can see, we can click here, enroll, start your enroll. Here you will have to create the Apple developer account. Create yours now, or your Apple ID or anything. Okay, you have to create this, and then you will have to pass on the next steps, and at the end, Apple is going to ask for $99 per year. This means that the Apple developer account has a price of $99. Um, After that, you will be getting the Apple account in, I think, in about 72 hours, 1 week. However, there are some of you that take longer. Why? um, Apple is very strict, so they investigate their new developers that are joining to their community and everything. So some of the cases are the credit card or the debit card, it doesn't matter, is not valid for Apple. And another thing is that they are not giving the right entity, like the name and the birthday, or those things, and a few like isolated situations. Here, you talk to us like, hey, Apple is not accepting my my Apple account or something like that. It's okay if you ask us, but it won't do many difference, because what the support team or sales team or anyone in the ordering team is going to tell you is that you have to go with Apple and ask for help there. As you can see, let me go back here. Where is that? Let me click. You have to contact them. Okay. Let me see if I can find the more. Here, you can go in forums to look for the answer of your issue, or you can contact support. Here, you will have to log in. Let's try it out. I will log in with my account. I will get a code. This is protected, so I recommend you to do this. Actually, you will have to do the same. So here you can view a lot of things that your account has in regards to support, and also you can ask for a call, feedback. You can report a concern. Let me see if I can find. If you add your account, you have the chance to request for a call, and you have a few calls with Apple. Let me see. Request a call for Apple. Okay, here. Here you can contact Apple and then ask them what is going on with your account. They will give you a few uh, like ways to make it work, and if they doesn't have the answer right away, they will call you back as soon as they have some time, just as any software. Okay, but the why I'm mentioning this is because you have to go with them. It's not we cannot do much about the Apple developer account. So the first thing that you have to do in order to get your apps sooner in the App Store is go here, enroll your app, and just get it done. Okay, this is for Apple. If you have any questions, type in the chat. Okay, we have one question. Just to verify, when we sign up for any of the plans, the ordering will be to yes, correct. We need you to get your own Apple developer accounts, because if we use ours, it'll say ordering. And also, if Apple detects a few of the same kind of layout and stuff, they won't accept it unless you give them like a very good pitch about it. So we always ask for your own accounts because it has to be your brand. It has to show your contact. If your app goes like very famous or anything, they will have to contact you, not ours. Okay, that is the reason, the main reason. Now, if we go in the Play Store developer account here. Nope. I have to log in my phone. Okay. Oh yeah, but Google Play the uh, console account. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is the one I think. You will have to get in this link. I mean, I am already logged in. That is why it's not showing the. Let me see if I can try another one. I will close all incognito. I will try one more time. Um, Google.play. No. Google Developers Console. This one, play.google.com. When you log in, let me try this one. Maybe this one works. Okay, another verification. Everything is protected here. Okay, this is the way it is going to look. When you get in the play.google.com, the link, it will ask you for something like this. Let me 1 second. Google developer error. Google is very easy at the time of creating the developer account. Okay, it will take just a few days, a few even hours. It is. I think is kind of low my volume, right? Let's see this way. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so first you will have to sign in with your Google account, then accept the terms, and then you will have to continue with the payment. This price. Okay. Okay, thank you, Marlene. Let's do this. I will show you. I will show you the price and everything. As you can see, here it is charging $25. And it's only a one-time fee, meaning that you pay this once and you get it for life. Your app, your Google Developer account. It is very cheap, and both are very cheap, and you can get them to get your apps in the stores. After you have done this, the payment, you will continue to create your account details. After you create those, uh, your Google Developer account will be under confirmation or something like that. I don't remember the name of the process. And that's it. You will be getting it ready in very soon. After you get the the Google Developer account, it will look something like, let me show you. It will be looking something like another code, yeah, because I'm very secure. I'm looking in the code. 1 second. Okay, now I got it. And oh wait, I used another one. I want to show you the real one. Google Play.google.com. This one. Okay. One more code. Yes, 34. Okay, I mean. Now your Google console will look something like this, where you can see all of the uh, settings and everything that you have enabled here and how to get your apps working. Okay, as you can see, we have many apps here. If you click settings, you can change the details. You can see the application, alerts, and everything. Okay. Um, in the Google developer account, there are like no issues. You will be getting it very soon, very fast, very cheap, and that's it. I mean, you will be getting it. We can start with the Google developer account. In the meantime, you get your DUNS number and your uh, individual account registered and everything in Apple. However, in Google, it is very easy to get it. You know. So that's it. It's a very short lesson, but I wanted to talk with you about this. So let me know if you have any questions about this, or about any other topic. Please let me know. What do you think, Marlene? Let me know if you have any doubts, please. Tomorrow we are going to talk. By the way, I have this on my mind, so I want to tell you. Tomorrow we are going to talk about payment gateways. Stripe, the four ways you can use Stripe, and the two ways, no, actually it's one, you can use PayPal. Okay, and if you want a custom or a few more things, but tomorrow is going to be payment gateways class. What do you think, Marlene? Do you have any question? Now is the time. What are we thinking? Do I have to use the restaurant apps to go platforms since I am using now? What do you mean? What do you mean, Marlene? I am using restaurant apps to go. Maybe Name to recruit restaurants. I want the name. The name can be changed. That's no problem. You can even transfer it, the apps and everything, but you can change that. That's no problem. It's very easy. Since the APK and the IPA files, sorry, excuse me, the new apps will have a new app name and everything. It won't matter. I had a website link in there, so the question never went through. Which, what do you mean? You can send me an email if you want, Marlene. Oh, I answer it? Okay. Great, 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 great. I don't know if you have any other question or anyone else have any question. Please let me know. Now is the time. Today we talk about Apple and Google developer accounts. So if you want to to watch the lesson one more time, it'll be uploaded to the YouTube channel. Take a look. What can we? The payment gateways are on all of the packages, so you will be able to use all of the payment gateways that we have currently: PayPal, Stripe Redirect, Cash, Card on Delivery, and a few more. But yeah. Tomorrow we are going to talk a bit more about it, Marlene. Wait for it. I think there are no more questions for today's topic or anything else. Tomorrow, let's talk about that, Marlene. I'll be wrapping today's lesson up and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Yeah, amazing. Have a great day, guys. If you have any questions, do not forget that you can send me an email at mauricio@ording.co. If I am not the guy, hey, Luis, hello. Hello, Tiago from Brazil. I'm about to wrap this up, but if you have any questions, do not forget to send me an email. I'll be happy to answer. If I am not the guy who knows the answer, I will channel you to the right department. And see you tomorrow. Payment gateways tomorrow. Okay, guys. Same day, same day. No, no, same day. Tomorrow, same channel, same time, same guy, me, and that's it. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Be safe, please. We are almost done with this. Have a great day. Bye bye.